So we have our exit sign and the sign's lit up. Now we're gonna go ahead and hit the button to test it. And nothing happens. So it appears the battery's probably not working for us here. So a new fixture is probably around $60. A battery is around $20. And luckily at the home center they have these. So, you know, make sure it's the same size. So I'll go ahead and pop the cover off. Okay, cover's off. Now let's get to the battery. And that is very similar there. Similar in size and voltage and amperage. 6 volt, 4.5 amp. And these are, they have a bit of tape on the back of this, so they're hard to get out. You see that little bit of tape? And the red one goes on the red, the blue one goes on the black. So if your light works, it's worth replacing the battery. It's really $20. Alright, let's give it a try. And you can see our exit sign lights are on. We hit the test button. Our exit line lights stay on and our emergency lights come on. So a brand new battery and it takes care of all that. Now let's put it back together. And for $20, we fixed our emergency light here. And replacement, we'll have to wait for another day. Because these ones are working. Alright, one more time. Exit lights on, hit our test light, and our lights come on.